Good morning, all of you. Good
Good
morning. Can you
morning,
hear me?
ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Okay. सुन सकते हो ना? सुन सकते हो? आंसर करो। हेलो? हेलो? Can you hear me?
यस मैम।
इतना देर से तुम लोग रिस्पॉन्ड भी करते हो, हाँ? Okay.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Ananya Singh, 9G. Can you hear me, Ananya? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, where did Sergey meet Lashkov one day? Ananya, can you hear
Ma'am,
me?
I don't know.
You don't know. You hadn't attended yesterday's
Ma'am, did
class?
I?
Had you attended
No,
yesterday's class, Ananya?
no, ma'am.
Why? You have to be regular in online classes. Okay, Bhavya, can you hear me? Bhavya,
Yes, ma'am.
where did Sergey meet Lashkov one day after a gap of 2 years?
Cinema hall.
Okay, very good. He was purchasing tickets at the cinema hall wearing a fur
Ma'am,
coat.
tickets window at the theater.
Yes, yes, very good, Shreyasi. Okay. Okay. So, what work did Lashkov get at Sergei's friend's house? Answer: Dhruv Pandey. What work
Yes,
did
ma'am.
Sergei get? What work the Lashkov got at Sergei's friend's house? He recommended him to his friend. What was the work there? अपने घर में तो वो Sergei से all cleaning work and menial jobs. He gave him the cleaning work and menial jobs. What about the job at his Sergei's friend's house? What was that job?
Ma'am, can I?
Shreyasi, okay.
Can I? Ma'am, he got the job of copying
Okay, he got the
at his
job.
Sergei's friend house.
Okay, yes, Shreyasi. He got the job of copying documents at the Sergei's. Okay. Then, okay. What is the meaning of jeer? Jeering. The carters jeered at him. Pragya, you want to answer?
Yes, ma'am. To make fun.
Okay. Advit, what is the meaning of feebly? Advit?
मैम वीकली।
Yes, very good. Okay. So why did the carters make fun of him? Wait, I'll point out, then you answer. Who will answer? Avinash Kumar 9G. Why did the carters make fun of him, jeered at him? Avinash, can you hear me? Avinash 9G, I can see your name in the participants. Why did the carters make fun of the beggar Lashkov? No response. Okay, Jia Chauhan. Jia, can you hear me? Hello. Jia Chauhan 9G, can you hear me? No response. Kaushiki? Kaushiki, can you hear me? Jia? Kishan Kumar? Kishan Kumar 9G.
Ma'am, what was the question?
The question was, why did the carters make fun of Lashkov, the beggar? Why did they jeer at him? Jeering means make fun. So why did they make fun of him? That is my question. Jia, can you hear me? Here, the carters jeered at him. The carters jeered at him for his answer. Dhruv Pandey? कोई response नहीं. I'm going to complain to your class teacher.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can-
Nishu Nayan. Okay, Nishu, you answer. Nishu, you attended yesterday's class? Hello? Nishu Nayan?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
may I?
Oh. So you answer this question. Why did the drivers make fun of Lashkov the beggar? They jeered at him. Jeered means to make fun. Why did they make fun of him?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
can I?
I want others also to answer. Some of them, they just sit passive.
May I?
Advait, okay, Advait,
Ma'am.
answer.
Ma'am, because of his weakness.
Yes. Because of his feebleness, his weakness, and three reasons.
His
are there.
tattered fancy overcoat.
Yes.
Ma'am, he did not.
Yes.
His tattered fancy overcoat.
His fancy overcoat and also his laziness, his idleness. Idleness, feebleness, and his tattered
Tattered
overcoat.
fancy overcoat.
That is why he made fun of him. Okay. So, how much salary was Lashkov getting as a notary? Hello?
Ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am.
30.
Bhavya, how much salary was he getting?
Ma'am, 35 ruble
Yes.
a month.
He was getting 35 rubles. And when Sergei came to know that Lashkov was doing his job nicely and he was getting a nice salary, then he became very happy. He became very happy that he changed the life of a beggar. He brought him to the right path. And he said, I'm very happy that you have changed your life. Now you have taken the right track in your life. Sahi rasta, right track. Thank you too, said Lashkov. If I hadn't come to you, then I might still have been calling myself a teacher or a student on this day. So what did Lashkov say? Lashkov said कि if he hadn't met Sergei, what would he have been doing? अगर वो सरगेई से नहीं मिलता तो आज भी वो भीख ही मांग रहे होते. So he says that if I hadn't met you, I might still have been calling myself a teacher or a student to this day. Yes, by flying to your protection, I dragged myself out of a pit. So, pit means what? Anyone, can you tell me the meaning of pit? PIT, pit?
मैम गड्ढा.
हाँ, गड्ढा. तो लश्कोफ ने क्या कहा कि सरगेई के शरण में आकर, फ्लाइंग टू योर प्रोटेक्शन मीन्स लश्कोफ सेड कि आपके शरण में आकर मैं गड्ढे से निकल गया. सो हियर पिट रेफर्स टू द पिट ऑफ बेगिंग. Begging is like a pit. Once you fall in the pit, it is very difficult to come out. एक बार आपको easy money और झूठ बोलने की आदत हो जाए, so it is very difficult to change yourself. But after he met Sergey, his life changed. So he says that when I came in your protection, when I came in your shelter, I took myself outside the pit. I dragged myself out of a pit. Pit here means the pit of begging. So, Sergey is very happy. Sergey is very happy that he has changed the life of a beggar. And equally happy is Lashkov that he came out of the pit of begging. At least now he leads a respectable life in society. I'm very glad indeed. Thank you for your kind words and deeds. I'm very grateful to you. What is the meaning of grateful? I'm very grateful to you. Thankful. Application में भी हम लिखते हैं ना, I will be thankful to you if you grant my leave. Thankful. Abhari. In Hindi, it means abhari. So, thank you for your kind words and deeds. I am very thankful to you and to your cook. Now, not only Sergei played a major role in changing Lashkov's life, there was another person behind the scene who changed Lashkov's life. And who was that? It was Lashkov's cook, Olga. तो सरगेई लश्कोव के लाइफ को बदलने में सिर्फ सरगेई का हाथ नहीं था. The cook also played an important role. Olga the cook also played an important role in changing Sergei's life. Sergei is not aware of it. उसने सोचा कि सिर्फ मेरे कारण जो है वो लश्कोव का लाइफ पूरा बदल गया. But here he tells him something more. He says that I am also grateful to your cook. Means the cook also played an important role in changing his life. God bless that good and noble woman. Noble means a person with good qualities. A person with good qualities. So Olga was a very, very good woman. She had all the good qualities. You spoke finely then, and I shall be indebted to you to my dying day. Indebted means what? Indebted also means to thankful, to be thankful, कर्जदार होना. Indebted is now here. B is silent. How do you pronounce it? Have you heard of this word?
Indebted.
You debt कभी सुना है? Debt. Debt मतलब कर्ज होता है. Means if you borrow money from someone, you are in debt. So indebted मतलब कर्जदार होना. So I shall be indebted to you to my dying day. What does Lashkov say to Sergei? That I will ever be grateful to you till my dying day. But strictly speaking, it was your cook Olga who saved me. Sergei से भी ज़्यादा important role was played by Olga. Huh? She was the more important person. Who changed Sergei's life. It was your cook Olga who saved me. Sergei was not aware. उसने तो सारा क्रेडिट अपने ऊपर लिया, लेकिन लश्कॉफ ने उसे बताया that more than you I am thankful to your cook Olga who saved me. How is that? Now, the first time when Lashkov had gone to Sergei's house to chop wood, there was no energy in his body. He was so weak and he was unable to do the work. So helped? Who helped Lashkov to chop the wood? It was Olga. हाँ? When I used to, कुछ देर में ही सारा wood जो है वो chop हो गया. The man who had no strength in his body, how was he able to chop the wood? It was Olga who helped her in doing this work. Helped him. When I used to come to your house to chop wood, she used to begin, "Oh, you sot, oh, you miserable creature." Miserable means sad. Miserable.
उदास प्राणी.
Sot means drunkard. So she said that you are such a miserable creature. There is nothing for you but ruin. Ruin means what? Ruin means?
Waste.
Ruin, waste or spoil. Here in this context, ruin means spoil. So Olga जो है वो she used to just curse in a way. In a good sense, because she wanted to change Sergei, she wanted to change Lashkov. So she said that you are a drunkard, you are such a sad creature, means you, and you have spoiled your life. She, in a way, she scolded Lashkov for spoiling his life. She was very angry with Lashkov that why he had developed this habit of drinking, because this habit of drinking had spoiled his life. Why did he lose his job at the Russian choir? Why had he lost his job at the Russian choir?
Because of his drunkenness.
Yes, because of his drunkenness. So what was spoiling his life? His habit of drinking. So Olga just told Lashkov that you have spoiled your life, you ruin. And then she would sit down opposite to me and grow sad, look into my face and weep. So Olga used to weep. Weep for whom? Weep for Lashkov. So Olga empathized. Olga empathized with the beggar. Empathize means you put yourself in someone's place and then you feel the emotions. Sympathy is just having some soft corner for someone, but empathy is a greater feeling. So बहुत कम ऐसा होता है कि किसी और के लिए जो है कोई रोए. So like Lashkov was just a stranger for Olga. Isn't it? Lashkov was just a stranger for Olga, but Olga had so much of sympathy for Lashkov that she cried for him that what will happen to this man? He has no strength in his body. He cannot work. How will he lead his life? And she used to weep. Oh, you unlucky man, there is no pleasure for you in this world, and there will be none in the world to come. So she said that there is no happiness for you in this world. Because of his bad habit, he had ruined, he had spoiled his life. There is no pleasure for you in this world, and there will be none in the world to come. You drunkard, you will burn in hell. So she said that you will burn in hell. Why? Because he was not doing good deeds in his life. Why will he go in hell? Because he is not doing anything good in his life. He is just cheating people, he is just drinking alcohol. So it is a belief that if you do bad deeds, you will go to, क्या ऐसा विश्वास किया जाता है कि अगर आप बुरे काम करेंगे तो कहाँ जाएंगे?
नर्क।
नर्क. Hell means nark.
Narc.
So Olga said that even after your death, there will be no pleasure for you, and there will be none in the world to come. इस दुनिया में तो कोई खुशी है ही नहीं तुम्हारे लिए. तुमने अपना लाइफ को स्पॉइल कर लिया है अपने बुरे आदतों के कारण. और none in the world to come means even after death you will have to suffer, because you are just doing bad deeds in your life. You are drinking, you are begging, you are telling lies. So you'll burn in hell, oh you unhappy one. And so she would carry on, in that strain. So in that carry on in that strain means what? Continue. Carry on in that strain. Continue. She would continue expressing her sympathy. So she was just expressing her sympathy for this poor man. I can't tell you how much misery she suffered, how many tears she shed for my sake. ओल्गा ने लश्कॉफ के लिए बहुत सारे आंसू बहाए. सरगेई ने तो बस थोड़ा सा उसको हेल्प किया, लेकिन रियल जो सिंपैथी था, इमोशंस, रियल इमोशंस was showed by Olga. She shed for my sake, but the chief thing was she used to chop the wood for me. So look at Olga's helpfulness. She had so much of sympathy for the beggar that she did his work all for free. She cried for him. She did his work. So Olga plays a she cried for him, sympathized with him, and even worked for him, and used to chop the wood. Do you know, sir, that I did not chop one single stick of wood for you? So this revelation, this truth was told by Lashkov. बहुत आश्चर्य की बात थी कि जिस बेगर के बॉडी में थोड़ा भी स्ट्रेंथ नहीं था, वो कुछ ही घंटों में, हाउ कुड ही चॉप द वुड? सो हु हैड डन द वर्क फॉर हिम? Olga had done the work. She used to chop the wood for me. Do you know, sir, that I did not chop one single stick of wood for you? There was no strength in his body. How could he do such a tough work of cutting wood? She did it all. Why this saved me? Why I changed? So, Lashkov was transformed. How was Lashkov changed? Transformed means,
बदल जाना।
बदल जाना. By the love and sympathy of Olga. So here is the message of the story, that you cannot change a person by force. You can change a person by love and sympathy, by genuine emotions, transformed by the love and sympathy of Olga. Now, till now, Lashkov was uh, feeling that there are only bad persons in his life. Again and again, he was facing bad circumstances. But then he met a real good lady, and that lady, she changed his life. She did the work for him. Mm. she did it all. Why she did it all? जितने भी काम जो है menial jobs, all the menial jobs that Lashkov was given, it was done by Olga, because Lashkov was not in the habit of doing such work. He was a singer. Like, even the carters had made fun of him for his idleness. So naturally, he did not know how to work. She did it all. Why this saved me? So this saved him. So uh, that day, Sergei came to know that the actual person who changed Lashkov's life was Olga, his cook. If she had not been there, what would have happened? He would not have been able to do the work. And then Sergei must have fired him. Sergei मुफ्त का तो उसको काम पैसे नहीं देता. So why this saved me? Why I changed? Why I stopped drinking at the sight of her? And then he stopped drinking. Stopped drinking for whom? For Olga. Because
उनका
हाँ, he thought कि दुनिया में एक तो कोई है जो उससे sympathize कर रहा है, तो ओल्गा के कारण उसको बदलना पड़ा. I stopped drinking at the sight of her. He thought that he should not make Olga sad. He stopped drinking because he did not want to make Olga sad at the sight of her. He says. Uh, I only know that owing to her words and noble deeds, a change took place in my heart. So, because of her good deeds, so this habit of drinking also stopped because of Olga, because he did not want to make Olga sad. He thought that she's such a good lady, and his conscience did not allow him to make such a good lady sad. At the sight of her, I cannot explain. I only know that owing to her words and noble deeds. So she said that because of her words and good deeds, a change took place in my heart. She met me right. I shall never forget it. She set me right. She set me right. Sorry. Set me right means she put me on the right path. सही रास्ता जो है वो एक्चुअली में ओल्गा ने ही दिखाया. She put me on the right and I shall never forget it. However, it is time to go now. There goes the bell. So uh, then he said that now it is time to go because the bell rang. The time for the movie to begin. Lashkov bowed and departed to the gallery. Bowed means what? To bend your body, झुकना. To bend and greet. अब झुक के किसी को greet करते हैं, that is bowed. Bow also has another meaning. Bow as a noun, what does it mean? Sheet. Wait. Sort. So meaning of all the difficult words: kopeck, Russian coin equal to 1/100th of a ruble. So kopeck is a smaller denomination currency. Calumny, बताए थे ना, the making of false and defamatory statements about someone in order to damage his reputation. झूठ बोल के किसी के रेप्यूटेशन को खराब करना, जैसे कि लश्कॉफ ने झूठे कहानी में बताया कि उसके कलीग्स ने उसके साथ साजिश करके उसको नौकरी से हटवा दिया था. Suppliant, making a humble plea. What is the meaning of plea? You know the meaning of
रिक्वेस्ट
Yes, request. So when you are doing the question answers, you also have to write the word meanings. Are you writing the word meanings of the chapters? No response. That means you are not writing. Huh? You know, if you want to improve your language, you have to improve your vocabulary. That is why uh, I keep on asking you word meanings again and again. Mendicant also means beggar, swindling. बताए थे meaning, cheating. Then perplexity, being shocked, puzzled, bewildered, irresolutely, hesitantly. How was he chopping the wood? How did he start doing the work? Very irresolutely, hesitantly. Billet, thick piece of wood. Wave, बताए थे homeless person. Uh, Lashkov is said to shovel, remove snow with a shovel, a tool resembling a spade with a broad blade and typically upturned sides. It is a instrument. Uh, then roasting, scolding, informal or humorous word. Then sought, a habitual drunkard. बोले कि okay, think about it. Has Lashkov become a beggar by circumstance or by choice?
By choice.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I explain it?
Okay, Pragya, explain.
Ma'am, because he didn't want to work hard and earn money by easily by begging.
Okay. It was not by circumstance, it was by choice. He wanted easy money, and that is why he has started begging. If you get into bad habit and spoil your life, that is not your circumstance. What reasons does he give to Sergei for his telling lies?
The reason he gave to Sergei that for his telling lies was that he had no work to do.
Yes, he said that I don't have any work.
And when he told truth, no one will give money to him.
Yes. Okay. Yes, he told this also, that if I speak the truth, then no one will give money to me. So just to gain the false sympathy of the people, लोगों का सहानुभूति जीतने के लिए, to gain the false sympathy of the people, he has to tell lies. Is Lashkov a willing worker? Why then does he agree to chop wood?
No, he was not a willing worker.
Wait, Anuj, let others also get a chance. Harsh Raj 9B. Harsh Raj, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Is Lashkov a willing worker? काम करने का मन था उसको? When he was given work of chopping wood at Sergei's house, did he do the work willingly?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Willingly किया था काम?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
किया था?
Ma'am, may I answer?
No, Harsh, you are not attentive. Did you attend
Ma'am,
the previous classes when this chapter was taught? नहीं किए हो. Willing तो नहीं था वो, और वो बहुत irresolutely, he was working very irresolutely. अभी हमने hesitant था, उसको काम करने का मन ही नहीं. Who will answer? And one thing I want to tell you.
Ma'am,
हाँ, बोलो कौन आंसर करेगा जो आज
Anuj.
someone who hasn't answered today.
ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Haven't Pragya, you have answered. Advait, I think you have also answered.
No, ma'am, he hasn't
नहीं
answered today.
answer. ठीक है, अद्वित आंसर करो.
Ma'am,
Advait?
what's the question?
Question is, was Lashkov a willing worker?
No, ma'am.
How can you say that he was? ये question है.
Ma'am, he had a habit. Ma'am, he had a
The
habit of.
You can see the question, is Lashkov a willing worker? Why then does he agree to chop wood for Sergei? Okay, answer.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. He was not a willing worker. He
Okay.
had a habit to just just earn money without doing anything.
Okay. Then why does he agree to chop wood? मन नहीं था तो क्यों वो काम करने के लिए राजी हो गया?
Ma'am, unwillingly. He
Unwilling.
was
He was.
Ma'am,
Okay, Pragya, answer.
because he trapped in his own words.
He was trapped in his own words. मजबूरी में उसने कह तो दिया, नहीं होता कि आप बेमन से कुछ बोल दें without feeling, and then you get trapped. So he was trapped in his own
He
words.
was obliged by the circumstances.
Huh? Anuj?
He was obliged by the circumstances.
Obliged by circumstances, you can't say. He was trapped in his own words. That is why.
या बन गई जिसकी वजह से उसको काम करना पड़ रहा था.
अच्छा, एक तरह से कह सकते हो, in his own words. Okay. Okay, so one thing I want to tell you people, you students, that 9B students, that those of you who have not paid your fees, tell your parents to pay the fee. Okay. And your homework, what is your और भी questions हैं, चलो, but time is over. Sergei says, I am happy that my words have taken effect. Why does he say so? Words have taken effect means what? शब्दों का कुछ असर हुआ. Why does he say so? Who will answer this?
Can I?
Okay, Anuj.
He said this because he was seeing that the beggar was trying to chop the wood, but actually these words had no effect on that beggar because he don't want to chop the woods.
He says that I am happy my words have
Ma'am,
taken. Huh?
Ma'am, he told this because he see success.
Because he was successful in changing Sergei's Lashkov's life. He was successful. मेरे शब्दों का असर हुआ और तुमने सही रास्ता चुना. Okay. Lashkov is earning 35 rubles. How is he obliged to Sergei for this? 35 rubles मिल रहा है तो who is the person responsible for this?
Sergei.
Sergei. He is obliged to Sergei because it was Sergei who had recommended his name to his friend. दोस्त के पास जॉब किसने दिलाया था? Sergei ने ही उसको अपने दोस्त के पास भेजा था.